Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show how to change your username on Shopee. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, open up your Shopee. And then from here, you want to click onto your profile, top right hand corner. And then click onto my account. And then from here, it will say my profile, manage and protect your account. Under that, it says username. And I'm going to change this username to tutorial is, and as it says here, username can only be changed once, so this is the first time I've changed it. You can even change the image here as well, set a birth date, change your email address too. So once you've done that, click on save. Are you sure you want to change your name? Usernames can only be changed once. Okay, click on OK. Profile updated. So yeah, it's as easy as that, guys, how to change your username on Shopee. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful.